Hey guys, welcome back to another video from me, SoTaylor. Hey guys, my name is Taylor. It's nice to meet you. I feel like today I'm gonna make a Q&A that I got questions off of ChatGPT, and we're just going to, get to know each other, mainly get to know me. I feel like I've had this channel for a while, and I don't think I've ever done a get to know me. I'm not sure. I'm not about to look it up. I don't know, but hey, we're here. So let's get started. Okay, first question. What is your name and where are you from? Hey, my name is Taylor. I am from Denver, Colorado, but I live in Dallas, Texas right now. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. If you never knew, I have videos from Denver. I go to Denver a lot more than any other state in the country of the United States. So yeah. So what is your favorite movie of all time? I have no idea. I honestly have no idea what my favorite movie of all time is because I don't watch a lot of movies anymore. School really took up a lot of my time, so me just being like, hey, what's your favorite movie? I'm like, I don't know. I don't know at all. So if I would say what's my favorite Disney movie, I would say Tangled. So we're just gonna say Tangled. Do you have a favorite book or author? No. The next book that I'm gonna read is this one. I want to read this book, The Midnight Library. I heard it's really good. Someone on TikTok suggested it as well. They're like, someone was like, point of view, some. They're like, The Midnight Library is just like that. And I was like, I have that book. So I'm gonna read it. What's your go-to comfort food? Macaroni and cheese. Most definitely. I love macaroni and cheese. Oh my gosh, it's just so good. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? I enjoy sleeping. I enjoy doing personal projects for graphic design. I enjoy watching streams and YouTube videos and TikTok. A lot of stuff that I just do in my bed, Are there any hobbies you've recently picked up or want to try? I've tried to do calligraphy and bullet journaling before in like 2020, and I want to pick that back up. It was actually really fun and I did enjoy it. And so it's just something I need to pick back up. Go ahead and just invest in another bullet journal. I have all the markers, all the washi tape. I also want to get back into journaling. Just those little 5-minute journals. I'm not a big write my whole life down anymore type girl unless I'm going through it, but do for a living or what are you studying? If you don't know, I went to UTA and I graduated. Like, by the time you see this it'll be January, but I graduated, let's just say last month in December 15th 2023. That's when I graduated with a bachelor's of arts in visual communication design, minoring in communications. I did that. It was a lot. What inspired you to pursue your career interests or field of study? Honestly, I've always been like an arts person. I've always enjoyed every type of art, and then going into school they kind of like enhanced it a bit. Like painting, I got to know how to do oil paint. I got to explore glass blowing. I got to explore graphic design, photography. Just so much stuff that I've done in school and out of school that I've just always been an arts person. So I picked a route that I felt like I could do. And then when it comes to graphic design, I just felt like, okay, let's just see what graphic design is about. And I actually ended up liking it. Like, I really like to do brands and stuff, like creating brands from the ground up, imaginary and real, helping people with their logos, website design. I actually really enjoy it. So yeah. What's a personal achievement you're proud of? Definitely graduating within 3 years. I had college credits from high school, so yeah, on that. But just finishing in 3 years, because I took summer classes like almost every summer. I really did not have a break. When I tell you school took over my life, it took over my life. It was kind of scary. Now these are some this or that's. Coffee or tea? I would say tea. Iced tea. No, actually not iced tea. No, I like iced tea. I like iced coffee too, but I like tea more. And I like hot tea. Oh my gosh, is so delicious. Nothing in it, just tea. Cats or dogs? Dogs. Cats are bony. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I definitely see myself in New York. I feel like I will be here for like another year or two in Dallas, and I'm going to New York. I feel like my life will be more aligned within that time frame. I'll be able to have my car almost paid off. And 5 years is a long time, so who knows? Who actually knows? Armageddon might come and I might not be here in 5 years, or I might be here still in 5 years. Who knows but Jehovah? God. What's one thing you want to accomplish in the near future? I would like for my photography business to take off. I am bomb. Please take me seriously. I want people to take me more seriously in photography, because I feel like they see me as this pretty girl that looks very young. I'm 26. I'm 26, okay? I'm about to be 30 soon. I'm not a baby. I know what I'm doing. I want to get more weddings. I want to get more models. I want to get campaigns. I want to do it all, okay? Photography, I love photography and I love graphic design. I want them to mesh together if I can. And yeah. So in the near future, I hope my photography business blows up. Alright, and that's all the questions that I got. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And comment, like, subscribe, comment. Are you a coffee or tea person if you came this far in the video? Tea or coffee? And tell me how you take it. Like, how do you drink your coffee or tea? Because some people think I'm crazy for just drinking tea. Like, I don't want anything mixed in it. But coffee, we're gonna concoction that up. But everything, tea, I just want tea. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.